My channel Admirable Nandini Art and Craft. So today I am back for more video. So today in my new video I am going to show you how to make easy DIY birthday greeting cards. So let's get started with the procedure. But before starting, it's my humble request that guys who didn't subscribe my channel yet, please subscribe. And if you are new to my channel, don't go without subscribing to my channel. And please share and hit likes button, and please hit the notification button so that you can get notified when I will upload a new video. So let's start the procedure without any delay. And after that, take here a pink color paper and fold it into half like this. And the measure of this paper is 28 by 20 centimeter. And just take here a green color paper of for sticking it on the upper part of the greeting card. So and now just stick it on the top of the card like this. So after that, just when we will stick on it, it will look like this, and you just keep on doing like this. And after that, you are required here with some colorful hearts in the 3 shades of pinkish color. And take here any pink, dark color of pink, and just fold it like this in an equal sizes. And after that, take here a heart piece for just tracing, and just trace over the paper on the paper using pencil, and cut it. And so you are required here with the 3 shades of heart like this. One light pink, this is dark pink, and one this is baby color pink. And so just you will arrange like this. And like this you will arrange. And in this one shade you are required with the total 7 hearts, as we gonna make here a tripler of hearts. So add little glue in the center of one of the heart, and just keep it like this. And take this one heart like this, and just fold it into half, and just stick in the center like this. And now arrange all the hearts one by one. and similarly arrange the other hearts. in the same way. And you can make this greeting easily at home with some less things. And so like this it will get a shape. Take here a green color any paper and with pencil draw here a shape of a heart and just cut it. And after that take here a drawing sheet and just trace out this heart. And after that draw a inner heart inside this and just cut it. After that cut out the inner part of the hearts and just take here the strip. Now we will decorate the inner part, so just cut this much up of the strip. Now just fold it 1 centimeter away from the both sides and just take here the pink color paper and just fold it like this into many folds and just take here the decorative scissor and make here a pattern like and it will form this type of shape. And just add glue on the upper part like this and stick this. And just add glue on these 2 folds. And on the bottom and just flap it over like this and stick it. And now after that take here 2 plastic sheets of heart shape of the outer cover in the measure of the outer cover and just add glue like this and just stick it over like this. Now take here some 3 to 4 stars and just add it in the center, and just take here a piece of glitter sheet and punch machine and just take punches from it and just remove its cap and just stick in this, and after this add glue on its lining and stick the third piece which is not lining with the plastic, and the another layer, third layer, and just cover it like this. So now let it dry for some time. After that take here a piece of square paper and just fold it like this into half, and just then keep your thumb in the center and like this, and draw a shape of petal using pencil and just cut it. And after that take here a black sketch pen and just make here a pattern like this, and you are required here with the 2 flowers, and add just glue on the side of a heart and just stick these flowers. Now see, I have added 2 die cut out leaves in the with the flowers, and just take here a butterfly sticker and stick it like this. After that take here some stones and just stick in the center of the flower, to make it look good, beautiful. And after that now take here 2 pieces of wool of blue color and just tie a knot and make a bow shape like this. And after that it is ready, and now just add this wool here and add little Fevicol in the center, and just stick this bow. Now take here 1 blue color paper and just draw here a heart shape, and just using scissor cut it like this. And so you are required here with the 2 hearts, and just open the card and just stick it on the right side. And take here a black sketch and just give it a one of the balloons, and at the outer right happy birthday like this. So I hope you all guys like the video. So don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel, and make sure to hit the bell icon please in the corner for getting more and more notifications. So till then, bye bye, we will meet soon in the next video.